Can you sing something for me, Shona Prince?
Chinokura cheka isango uriwega zvibudi ishandiye anezano muzivi wazvose pakawanda pandaitata ende ndaisatsiurika. I just wanna say I'm sorry. Falling for the devil's tricks again. I was lonely and needed a friend. Never knew there would come a time when I need a hug so bad. They keep telling me that boys don't cry, but I haven't felt like a man in a long, long time. No lie, it's killing me inside. I'm sorry for the things I done. I am your son, I'm sorry. Oh God, forgive me. Oh, I'm sorry for the things I took for granted. Singaoni. Oh, I keep tripping and Sorry that I kept on falling.
Everything right doesn't guarantee a win, because sometimes the situation doesn't need the right person. It needs the wrong one. Some people don't grow from love. They grow from pain. Some lessons can't be learned through success. They have to be learned through failure. Sometimes the situation doesn't need the most capable person. It needs the person that's going to mess up really badly, so everyone involved can see what needs to change. That's why you could be the perfect fit, the most prepared, the most qualified, still not get chosen.